surveying and mapping. Before the commencement of any construction project, a thorough survey and mapping of the site are crucial. Traditionally, this process could take weeks or even months, requiring extensive manpower and resources. Sky High Ireland Drone Solutions, with their high-resolution cameras and advanced mapping software, can accomplish this task in a fraction of the time. Their drones, piloted by experts with professional certifications, fly over the site, capturing detailed images and videos from various angles and altitudes. These images are then stitched together using software to create accurate 3D models and topographical maps of the